Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are... Don't laugh at me, Sean, I'm doing my video. Today we are resurrecting the baddest ute on the internet. I'll throw some photos up now when it was destroying the internet about 2 years ago. Since then, the police got involved, I believe, at one point, and a few other people got involved, and it's been off the road since. So we're going to resurrect it, get it re-registered, and make it happen. The first step is going to be chucking some new suspension in it because it's sitting on old ones now, and then we've got to obviously put everything back together and go from there. But today's just going to be a nice little simple coilover install. This is the man that owns the Mad Miata and the Abarth. So it's going to be a good day and we're going to try and smash it out and get it all done today. Hey bud. So we've done this, so we're not going to go through this. Here he is. So someone's forgot his lock tools to get the front wheels off, so now we've got to go super cheap and get the parts we need for that. And we'll come back and do that. Unfortunately, Auto 1 is too far away, otherwise we would have gone there, but yeah, super cheap's just around the corner. So once again, I get to get out of doing any work while the boys do some work and go for a little drive. Gotta wear a mask. Next time we won't forget tools, will we, Sean?
Well, I don't know where they are.
Let's go. Of course, Super Cheap didn't have the right tools. Should have gone to Auto 1. Unfortunately, they're too far away, so we're off to Bunnings now to get some tools. Bloody Holden drivers, am I right? Bunnings Warehouse. Lowest prices, just the beginning. Bunnings didn't have what we had, and now we've just got the news that we're going into lockdown. We're going into a 4-day lockdown apparently, but by the time this video's out, hopefully that lockdown's finished. If not, I'm sure we're going to have more cases. Regardless, today's full of shit bloody news if you ask me. Okay, now we have to go to Repco. Trade tools. Shop number 3. Oh, don't get one over. So they didn't have the tool either, so now we're going to go Repco. I don't think we're going to get anything done in this video, but we've got to make a video. Potential Holden viewer. So after all of that, and all those shops, and all that drama, they found the bit we need.
I'd like to know where it was. Better not be in that garage.
Back to the garage. We're back. We picked up some Dirty Bird.
Hear about the lockdown?
Yeah. And the boys they're working good. Good job, champion. This is nice. I should do this more often. So we're gonna quickly have a bit something to eat. That's a nice shirt you got on there, mate. Okay, so we're not going to go too in-depth with how to install this shit because it's pretty much the same rear end as what the FGX, like Ford Falcon sedans have. It's independent rear suspension, so yeah, it's pretty much the same shit that we did on the Falcon, so we don't need to really go into it too much. If you haven't seen that video, find it, it's on the YouTube channel. Anyway, we're winning, but... So this car was the first ever VF Ute to get a wide body kit put on it. I think he got pulled over a few times by the police and got in trouble for being too wide or something. Similar to what happened with me with my Patrol when I had the big flare kit on it. So he's removed all that, and then we've sort of had to do some shit to sort it out. But it's been off the road for a while, as we did mention. So now we sort of need to get it back in a roadworthy sort of condition so that we can start using it. Like this shit needs to come off and all sorts of other stuff. Make it a bit more of a practical car instead of a show car. And then we're going to get this big LS, big old LS, brother. We're going to probably supercharge it, I think. I think that's what we're going to do, hey Sean? Yep. Supercharge it, 100 shot of nitrous actually. And it should be good, but none of that's actually happening. But yeah, we've got to get this on the road again so we have another fast car. You want to charge it? Pro charge it, supercharge it, turbocharge it. And
old G42 right here, bro. Right.
So that's sort of what we need to do, but just little steps. So we're going to have like a mini series on fixing this car up. It's going to take a while, but it is what it is. But with lockdown imminently coming, we're not too sure what the rest of the week's going to be happening. So yeah, we might give the boys something to do while they're locked inside their house. So yeah, we're just here trying to help out on our Saturday. The back's all put back together. We haven't really been going over this too much because we have done this before, so it was mainly just an excuse to film a video, so it's probably going to be pretty boring. But it is a 6-speed manual, so I look forward to, once this is all back together again, to doing a race with it and see who's quicker. But yeah, hopefully it'll be good. Alright, moment of truth. We've got some wheel spacers on. Oh, he's broken it. We've got some wheel spacers on to fit these big boy tyres on. We're taking off the side skirts and then it's possibly test drive time. No bonnet, no nothing. It's going to be good. Fitment. So this is the issue we're running into.
And we don't even know where it's going to be.
It's close. It's very close. So even with a spacer, which there isn't a spacer on there of course because that's illegal, it's close. So we'll take that this has been a bit of a funky video. Sorry for everyone watching how funky this is. We're sort of all over the show. Alright, she's on the ground, as you can see. Fitment. Look at that. So we're gonna just send it without the bonnet around the block just to settle everything in. Sorry, we're getting in the way. How exciting! How exciting! We'll get a nice startup video too. We are going to go around the block, but the block is actually a private test track, so we don't need to have the car registered, so that's good to know. First startup, we've got to check the front spacing. This thing's noisy as, this is a rowdy car. Well, we've finished up today, at least for the meantime. The next step for this is what? What are we doing next to it?
I don't know. Get it to the knee house?
Yeah, so this is going to be a long project video, so we need to get this, we have to get it roadworthy, be able to move it to the new house they're building. That dog is really irritating. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully soon we'll have something else to have on this.
Every day.
Thanks for watching, keep on boosting, and we'll see you next time.